Hi, I'm Bruno and a production roaster here at Clipson & Sons. And today I'm gonna show you my V60 recipe for the Las Margaritas, our Colombian coffee. This is our showstopper. So, I'm gonna start just reading the paper. The recipe I'm using today is 12 grams of coffee, quite coarse. I'm using the O2 fellow grinder on number 8. So 12 grams. And I'm gonna pour 200 ml of water. The water is gonna be 92 degrees Celsius. So we're gonna start with a first pour, 50 grams of water. Try to get everything wet. And then we're gonna wait for 30 seconds. So my coffee is like 2 weeks rest, so like 30 seconds, but if you have a really fresh coffee at home, I would suggest like 40 seconds. And here we go for our second pour. 50 grams of water again. Good. So with this coffee, the V60 will help us achieve like a really nice acidity along with the sweetness of this coffee. So 1 minute, we're gonna pour 50 grams of water again, but a bit slow. Like 15 seconds. And then down to our final pour, we're gonna pour 50 grams of water again, really slow again. This will help us like determine the body of our coffee. There you go. And it gets a little swirl. Should be ready about like 2 minutes 20, 2 minutes 30. And yeah, this is a really interesting coffee. Like it's a Pacamara, and the Pacamara is really known for having this like kind of really funky, exotic kind of flavor. And I think this recipe really helps like balance the sweetness of the coffee. The V60 help us with the acidity, and it's really nice. Should be ready now. Yeah, 2 minutes 30. A bit, a swirl. Wait to cool down a little bit. Yeah, it's really good. Amazing coffee. Quite tropical. Yeah, a lot of passion fruit. It's really good. A really nice thing about this coffee, like while it cools down, it gives you like loads of new flavors. It's quite complex. Super clean cup of coffee. Yeah, super tropical. Reminds me of Brazil. Cheers.